Ito po ang rehabilitate ko dito sa malaking hospital na ito. Yan po, ganyan po. Kami, mga naka-wheelchair. Yan po. Ay, hindi sabi si rehabilitate. Ito po ang ngayon. Ito yung ginagawa namin. Dito, nag-handicap kami. Kaya, sa aming rehabilitate. Tapos mag-rehab ako mamaya sa tawagin na ako. Ito, tempura ngayon. Parang birthday party. Once a month or once a month lang meron ganitong birthday. Handaan sila, tempura, pamintila o goha yung sikihan, tapos mga fruits at saka masarap. Pagka once a month lang ganito. Nakikisabay din. Alam nila malapit ng birthday ko. Sana sa birthday ko ganyan din ang handa nila. Ngayon, parang birthday no kaya may cake pa kami sa dessert. Yan o, pinangat yung cake. Yan po. They will pick me up already. The one who is there already, that is service, the driver that will pick me up already now. Ohayou gozaimasu. Domo. Hey, the people from my day service. Yes. Very, very young people who is in the service, serving the old people in Japan. I'm the only foreigner.
Baseball player.
He is a baseball player. That's true.
That's right.
That's true, Q. He's the baseball player. Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Atashi video to the Takera. Happy birthday, Q.
Thank you.
I'm now in the birthday service, so I'm greeting you a happy birthday. You has the star to be born that was born how many years ago. See the beautiful caregivers I have around.
Thank you.
Okay, that's
Happy
why.
birthday.
Okay, you happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
See, this is my life, you, and I'm so thankful you are there. You are a shining star that was born
綺麗に
today.
写真撮りたい。